Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Drive files from one mobile to another, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Drive app on your first mobile device. Locate the file or folder you wish to transfer. Tap on the three vertical dots next to the file or folder. Select the Share option from the menu. In the sharing settings, tap on Add People or Share with People in Groups. Enter the email address associated with the Google account. Make sure the permissions are set to viewer or editor based on your preference. Tap on the send icon to share the file. Now, move to your second mobile device and open the Google Drive app. Log in with the Google account you used during the sharing process. Locate the Shared with Me section in the app. Find the file or folder you just shared from your first device. To download the file, tap on the three vertical dots next to it. Select Download from the menu. The file will now be saved to your second mobile device. If you wish to create a copy in your drive, tap on the three dots again. Choose Add to My Drive to make it accessible in your own storage. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred files from one mobile device to another using Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.